Welcome to Decor Menu, your go-to destination for furniture and decor ideas. Creating small and mini woodworking projects from home presents a unique opportunity for artisans and hobbyists alike to generate significant profits while indulging in their passion for crafting. These projects, often referred to as small-scale woodworking, offer several advantages that can be both financially rewarding and personally fulfilling. The ease of entry, flexibility in design, and potential for customization are just a few features that make small woodworking endeavors enticing. This exploration will delve into the various benefits and characteristics that make small woodworking projects not just enjoyable, but also highly profitable. One of the most significant advantages of engaging in small woodworking projects is the minimal startup cost associated with entering this field. Unlike larger-scale woodworking endeavors that may require hefty investments in tools, materials, and space, small projects often demand only basic hand tools and readily available materials. For those who may be hesitant to dive into a more extensive woodworking venture, starting small allows for a manageable entry point. This low barrier to entry opens the door for individuals to explore their skills and creativity without the pressure of significant financial risk. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small and mini woodworking project idea you can make at home for high profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another feature that bolsters the appeal of small woodworking projects is the ability to work within limited spaces. Many people, particularly those who live in urban settings, face constraints when it comes to workspace. Small projects can be completed on a workbench, garage floor, or even a well-equipped kitchen table. This flexibility allows artisans to carve out creative spaces tailored to their circumstances, making it easier to integrate crafting into their daily lives. Moreover, this adaptability enables crafters to easily pack up and move their workspace if necessary, adding to the overall convenience of small-scale woodworking. Time efficiency is another critical factor that favors those who engage in small woodworking projects. Compared to larger pieces that may take days or even weeks to complete, mini projects can often be accomplished in a few hours or a single weekend. This quick turnaround time allows artisans to produce and sell multiple items in a short period, thereby increasing potential profit margins. For individuals juggling jobs, family responsibilities, or other commitments, this efficiency means that they can pursue their woodworking passion without overwhelming their schedules. The immediate gratification of seeing completed work can also enhance motivation, encouraging artisans to take on new projects. Creating small woodworking items opens up a wide range of product possibilities. From decorative items like picture frames and small shelving units to practical tools like cutting boards and organizers, the scope of projects is virtually limitless. This versatility gives artisans the freedom to explore different markets and niches, catering to diverse consumer tastes. Moreover, the low material cost and simple design of many small projects allow for experimentation with different styles and techniques, enabling woodworkers to develop a signature approach that can attract a loyal customer base. By diversifying their offerings, artisans can find resonance with various buyer demographics, ensuring a steady stream of inquiries and sales. Additionally, small woodworking projects lend themselves well to customization, a feature that is highly sought after in today's consumer market. Personalized items, be it engraved nameplates or custom-sized furniture, often appeal more to consumers looking for unique home decor. This element of customization not only enhances the perceived value of the product, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship. Artisans who engage with clients directly to create bespoke items can also cultivate lasting relationships, leading to repeat business and referrals. By positioning themselves as creators of personalized, high-quality pieces, woodworkers can set themselves apart from mass-produced goods. The shift towards sustainability and eco-friendliness in consumer habits further augments the potential for profit in small woodworking projects. Many artisans embrace the practice of using reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials, tapping into the growing market of environmentally conscious buyers. Products that emphasize sustainability resonate well with consumers who wish to support artisans demonstrating a commitment to responsible practices. In this context, small woodworking projects become a vehicle for promoting both ecological stewardship and profitability, aligning with broader trends in consumer behavior that favor ethical consumption. Moreover, small woodworking projects provide ample opportunities for skill development. The range of techniques and methodologies involved in crafting small items offers artisans the chance to refine their skills continuously. Whether practicing wood joinery, mastering finish techniques, or experimenting with different wood species, each project serves as an opportunity for growth. This commitment to ongoing education enhances the overall quality of the work produced, leading to better products and, thus, higher potential profits. As artisans develop their abilities, they may also find themselves drawn to larger projects, allowing for growth and expansion in their business endeavors. Connecting with a community of fellow woodworkers can serve as a valuable resource for those engaged in small woodworking projects. The collaboration and camaraderie found in local craft groups, online forums, and social media platforms can inspire creativity and foster motivation. Artisans often share tips, tricks, and resources that can help one another navigate challenges more effectively. This interconnectedness can lead to partnerships, workshops, and events that enhance visibility and sales potential. In this way, the woodworking community is not merely about creating products, but becomes a supportive network that nurtures growth, inspires innovation, and provides encouragement. Furthermore, selling small woodworking items provides an avenue for artisans to engage in entrepreneurship. With the rise of e-commerce platforms and social media marketing, reaching a larger audience has become more accessible than ever. Artisans can establish online shops or utilize platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or even social media to promote and sell their creations. This direct-to-consumer approach not only enhances profit margins by eliminating middlemen, but also allows artisans to connect more personally with their customers. By showcasing their work online, artisans can build brand identities and create loyal followings, leading to sustained business growth. The psychological benefits of engaging in woodworking are also noteworthy. The act of creating with wood is inherently therapeutic, providing a sense of calm and peace that can counterbalance the stresses of daily life. This mental health aspect can enhance overall well-being, making woodworking not just a financial endeavor, but a fulfilling and enriching pursuit. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked small and mini woodworking project idea you can make at home for high profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.